Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use Office Shapes to create art. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard background using an Office shape. After that I'll make other videos where we go into more detail. But let's begin. So I opened up Microsoft PowerPoint and I'm just going to create the shape here because in Power BI there isn't a good selection of features or tools to create shapes. So go insert, shape, and I'm just going to select this rectangle. And in PowerPoint, we have lots of tools. So I'm just going to go, let's just go fill with color, make it yellow. Then go to shape effects, bevel, it's the regular bevel. And I'm just going to open this up, go into the bevel and give it a little bit of a larger profile, like so. Okay. Shadow, you can add some shadow as well. And pretty much that's all I'm going to do. And so then I'm going to right click and save as picture. And then it's going to open up. You can save it wherever you want. I'm going to save it where I keep my YouTube stuff. I just created a folder called panels because this is a panel. And I'm going to save it as a SVG, scalable vector graphics file. And I'm just going to call it background. Saved it. Now I'm just going to close that. Don't save because I don't need it. So here in Power BI, I just created a simple table, simple pie chart, courses, and then I said what the priority is for me to study them and whether I've taken the course, it'll be completed or not completed. And you can set up conditional formatting for giving you the color depending on what value you have. And here, same thing. You can see that as a pie chart. But now what we want is we want a dashboard or make it into more of a dashboard and have a nice panel behind there. So I'm just going to go insert, go image. Okay. And then you go upload image. And then you browse for it. And then you select it. It's an SVG file. So there it goes. Now that you have this file, you make sure you open your selection pane here. And I think you just go view and selection pane. And make sure that you take this image. Right now it's at the top. So if you're going to make it larger, it's going to cover it. So you have to move it downward like so. Okay, and then you can widen it how it should be. Say like that, and then click somewhere. And this is how it would look once it's published. I added a border here for this table, and I also took out the background. It had a white background. You can go here. This is where the border is. I think you have to select this chart first. And then look here. I think. Okay. So here it is. Effects. And then what I did was I made the transparency. It was white because you have to choose some color. There's no zero fill. So I just created it and then put it to full transparency. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.